Hello everyone, I am Miss Priyanka Sanjay Latte, working as lecturer at Mula Education Society's Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sone. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic that is Carminative and GI Regulators. Part first. This topic we will discuss for first year D Pharmacy students. Content of presentation. Introduction. Definition of carminative and GI regulators. Synonym. Biological source, geographical distribution, organoleptic characters, microscopic characters, chemical constituent, cultivation and collection, and uses of following drugs. First one, cardamom. Second one, coriander. Third one, FENNEL. Firstly, we will discuss introduction. The carminative is the word which has originated from Latin word carminare, means to cleanse. These drugs used as carminative are prescribed in indigestion, gastric discomfort, and loss of appetite. The example are FENNEL fruits, coriander fruits, cardamom, clove buds, cinnamon bark, caraway fruit. Next point, definition. Now we will discuss the first definition, carminative. Carminative are the soothing medicaments that act by relieving pain in the stomach and intestine and expel flatulence and gas from GIT, that is gastrointestinal tract. Example, FENNEL, coriander, cardamom, clove, cinnamon, caraway, etc. Second definition, gastrointestinal regulators. The gastrointestinal regulators are the agents which regularize the activity of GI tract and include bitter, stomachic, alternatives, stimulants, aromatics, antiemetics, drugs. Now we will discuss the first good drugs, cardamom. Synonyms, cardamom fruits, cardamom seeds, elaichi. Biological source, it consists of the dried fruits of Elateria cardamom belonging to family Gingiberaceae, the seeds of which are removed as and when required for use. The seeds should contain not less than 4% of volatile oil. Geographical distribution. It occurs in Sri Lanka, partly in Ratnapura and Lunugala districts, and also in Myanmar and Malaysia. In India, it is chiefly cultivated in Mysore and Kurang districts. It also grows wild on Malabar hills. It is being cultivated commercially in Guatemala. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color green or pale buff. Odor aromatic, agreeable and pleasant. Taste strongly aromatic. Size about 2 cm in length. Shape ovoid or oblong with smooth or longitudinally straight surface. Extra features. Each capsule of fruits contains 3 chambers. Each chamber consists of 2 rows of seeds, about 5 to 10 in number. The seeds are 3 to 4 mm in size, very hard to touch, reddish brown in color, and irregularly triangular in shape, covered with transverse wrinkles known as rugae. The seeds are strongly aromatic in taste and color. The proportions of pericarp to seeds in 1:3 weight by weight. Next point, microscopic characters. The outer as well as inner epidermis of the pericarp is made up of polygonal tubular cells. Mesocarp is parenchymatous in nature. Mesocarp includes few brown to yellow colored resinous cells scattered throughout the mesocarps, along with partially lignified fibrovascular bundles. The transverse section of seed shows the presence of outermost layer of arillus, followed by 2 layers of testa which contain highly aromatic volatile oil. The perisperm, endosperm and embryo characteristics to the seed are also observed in the section. Calcium oxalate crystals and starch grains are presented in perisperm. Next point, chemical constituent. Cardamom seeds contains volatile oil to the extent of 2% to 8%. It contains cineol in bracket eucalyptol bracket complete, triphenyl acetate, boreneol, terpenin. It also contains fixed oil, starch, proteins and 8% of silica. The other constituents of the cardamom seeds are fixed oil, starch and proteins. Next point, uses. It is used as aromatic, carminative, stimulant and a good flavoring agents, and also used in the form of compound tincture. Storage. Cardamom fruits should be stored in well-closed, well-filled container in cool places. As and when needed, the seeds should be removed from the fruits and used. It has been observed that if the seeds are stored after dehusking, about 30% volatile oil is lost within 18 months of storage. Cardamom seeds are official in USP. Second good drugs, coriander. Synonym, coriander fruits. Biological source, it consists of dried leaf fruits of Coriandrum sativum belonging to family Umbelliferae. Geographical distribution, the plants are cultivated throughout European countries, principally in Russia, Hungary and Holland. The drug is also cultivated in India, Egypt and Morocco. In In India, it is widely grown in Andhra Pradesh, in bracket Guntur, Anantapur, bracket complete, Maharashtra, in bracket Jalgaon and Satara, bracket complete, West Bengal, in bracket Horash and 24 Pargana, bracket complete, Uttar Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Next point, cultivation and collection. Coriander is grown as kharifs as well as rabi crop. It needs light to heavy black soil. About 15 to 20 kg of fruits per hectare are required for cultivation. It is sown by drilling method. It is rotated with wheat, grain, jowar and onion, and also grown with cotton, sugarcane and brinjal as mixed crop. The crop is ready for harvesting after 100 days of growth. J16, J214, K45 and New Pusa are the few of the improved varieties of coriander. About 2 lakh hectares of land is under cultivation of India. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color yellowish brown to brown. Odor aromatic. Taste spicy and characteristics. Size, fruits are 2 to 4 mm in diameter and 4 to 8 mm in length. Shape, coriander is a subglobular cremocarpous fruits with about 10 primary ridges and 8 secondary ridges. Primary ridges are wavy and inconspicuous, while secondary ridges are straight. It is further described as an endospermic and coryscopermic. The weight of 100 fruits is approximately 1 gram. Microscopic characters. The epidermis of the pericarp is made of polygonal tubular cells with stomata. Several epidermal cells contain prism of calcium oxalate. Mesocarp consists of inner and outer layer of parenchyma with a layer of sclerenchyma in between them. Inner epidermis of pericarp consists of procretory cells. The seeds is characteristics to umbelliferous fruits. Trichomes and lignified reticulate parenchyma absent. No starch grains are present. Fixed oil globules in the endosperm. Volatile oil in the vitae. Alurans grains are present in polygonal thick wall cellulose parenchyma of endosperm. Next point, chemical constituents. Coriander yields from 0.3 to 1% of volatile oil. The fixed oil 13% and proteins 20% are other contents of the drug. Volatile oil contains 90% of D-lineol, coriandrol and small quantities of L-boronol, geraniol and pinene. Coriander leaves are rich in vitamin A content. Next point, uses. First one, it is used as aromatic, carminative, stimulant and flavoring agent. Second one, it is an ingredient of compound spirit of orange and cascara elixir. Third one, coriander oil is used along with purgative to prevent griping. Substitutes. It is substituted by Bombay coriander fruits which contain less volatile oil and are ellipsoidals in shape. Third, food drugs. Fennel. Synonyms: fennel fruits, Fructus funiculum, soap, biological source. It consists of dried fruits of the plant Funiculum vulgare belonging to family Umbelliferae. It should contain not less than 1.4% of volatile oil. Geographical distribution. It is indigenous to Mediterranean countries and largely cultivated in Romania, Russia, Germany, France, India and Japan. In India, it is cultivated in Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Next point, cultivation and collection. Fennel is cultivated by dibbling method. Quality fruits of good germination rate are sown just before the spreading. Free branching of the herb and specific arrangement of leaves in hair-like segments complete on the stems required plenty of space in between two plants and rows. 4 to 5 seeds are put at a time in holes at a distance of 25 cm in between them. The well-drained calcareous soil in sandy situations is found to be favorable for cultivation of fennel. The crop is kept free of weeds and provided with suitable fertilizers. When the fruits are ripe, crop is harvested and dried in the sun. Fruits are separated by threshing. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color green to yellowish brown. Odor sweet aromatic. Taste strongly aromatic and mucilaginous. Size 5 to 10 into 2 to 4 mm. Shape straight and slightly curved. Extra features. It is the 5-sided fruits in forms of cremocarps with pedicels and rarely found in the form of mericarps. Fruits are glabrous with straight, prominent yellowish colored 5 primary ridges and a bifid stellopod at the top. It is an orthospermatous fruits. Transversely cut the surface shows the 2 commercial victi and 4 dorsal victi. The embryo is small, embedded in upper end with abundant oily endosperm. Microscopic characters. The special features of histological characters of fennel are presence of anomocytic stomata on epidermis of mesocarp containing lignified and reticulate parenchyma. Purgatory arrangements of cells on inner epidermis of pericarp is another feature of the drug and common to all umbelliferous fruits. With tea, the secondary canals contain volatile oil and are brown in color. Endosperm is made up of polyhedral thick-walled cells containing fixed oil and alloderance grains, and the minute roasted crystals of calcium oxalate, trichomes and starch grains are absent. Chemical constituents. Fennel consists of 3 to 7% of volatile oil, about 20% each of proteins and fixed oils. The chief active constituent of volatile oil is a ketone, phencones, about 20%, and a phenolic ether, anethol, about 50%. The other constituents are philandrine, limonene, methyl clavicol, anacetaldehyde, etc. Phencone is a colorless liquid with pungent odor. The anethol is sweet in odor and taste. Next point, uses. It is used as carminative and aromatic and a stimulant. It is used as expectorant and also used as flavoring agent. Thank you.